In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for budgeting with the 50-30-20 rule. This simple yet effective method can help you manage your finances effortlessly by organizing your income and expenses into three main categories: needs, wants, and savings. So let's dive right in and make budgeting a breeze with Notion. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Notion account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's straightforward and free to get started. Once you're logged in, the fun begins. The next step is to create a new page. On the left sidebar, you'll find an option to add a page. Click it, and you'll have a fresh canvas ready for your budgeting masterpiece. Now, let's give your new page a suitable name. How about calling it 50-30-20 Budget Tracker? Having a distinct and descriptive title helps you easily locate and update your budget in the future. Plus, it sets the right tone and intention for what you're about to accomplish. With your page named, it's time to start building. Begin by adding a simple text block or even a database where you can input your monthly income. This will be the foundation of your budgeting process, as it helps you see exactly what you're working with, financially speaking. Make sure to update this figure each month or whenever your income changes, as this clarity will guide your budget allocations. Next, it's crucial to create an expenses database. In Notion, this can be set up as a table where you'll log all your expenses. This includes everything from your rent or mortgage payments to groceries, utility bills, and any discretionary spending. Be thorough here, as having all your spending in one place is what allows the 50-30-20 rule to truly work its magic. Once your expenses are all logged, you'll want to create filtered views for each budget category: needs, wants, and savings. This step lets you easily see how your spending aligns with your budget goals. For example, a filtered view for needs might show fixed essentials like housing, utilities, and minimum loan payments. Wants could include dining out and entertainment, those non-essential treats. Finally, savings is where you track your contributions to save for future goals like an emergency fund, retirement, or that dream vacation. By setting up these filtered views, you quickly identify if you're staying within the desired percentage for each category. And over time, it helps you make informed decisions and adjustments to keep your financial health in check. Remember, the goal is to spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and save 20%. And that's it. With your 50-30-20 budget tracker now set up in Notion, you're on your way to more mindful and organized financial management. This tool simplifies tracking while giving you a clear picture of how well you're aligning with your financial goals. Thanks for tuning in, and happy budgeting.